Hello my lovelies, it's Odette here. Welcome back to today's video. Hope you guys are doing super awesome and well. Thank you for clicking on this video. Thank you for spending some time with me today. Thank you for watching. I do appreciate it. And I hope you guys are all doing super awesome, staying safe and masking and hand washing and the whole 9 yards. It's an uphill climb to get back to normal, but let's just hope we're gonna get there someday soon. And so today I have another makeup look for you guys, and here it be. This look today. And so if you guys want to see how I came up with this lovely look today, keep watching. Every single time I do a video, a makeup video, it's for myself. It's a tutorial for myself. I'm teaching myself how to do makeup every single time. I'm not a professional, but I'm trying. So keep watching if you want to see how I came up with this makeup look, and hope you guys enjoy. See you guys next time. Bye. My eyes are done, and I am of course wearing Chance. She is one of my beautiful lashes in my collection. Ordering details will be down below. And of course this is a palette that I used to do my eyes today. This is the Color Studio Pressed Powder Beauty Glaze palette. This is from Amazon. I only used 3 colors in this palette today. I used the black to smoke at the corners, and these 2 beautiful colors right here. This color is a matte color, and this is on my lid. This is a lovely palette. When I look at this palette, I see fall for sure, fall and autumn and all of that. It is just very pretty. So now I'm gonna go in with one of my favorite foundations. This is from MaxFactor. This is a 3-in-1 foundation, primer, concealer, and foundation. The color of this is going to be down below for you guys. I'm not wearing my glasses, I can't see it, but this has SPF 20, really good protection for your skin. I'm going to use a small foundation brush. I got this from Amazon some time back, and we're just gonna go straight into blending this out. I love this foundation. It blends so nicely into my skin. Beautiful, just perfect. So now we're going to go in with my BH Cosmetics. This is the Studio Pro Matte Finish Pressed Powder. And the shade of this is 240. You would have seen this in a haul not too long ago. This is my Benefit Concealer, and I know you must be saying you've already powdered your face, you're now going in with concealer. Yes, I am. So I'm just going to put a little bit of this under my eyes, just a little, to brighten that a little bit, and we're going to blend that out. And this gives me just a little bit highlight. So this is my Face Atelier powder, and I'm going to be using one of these sponges. And I'm just going to basically set that a little. And that is all a girl needs, right? That's just about it. I have never done this before, put powder on and then go in with concealer. Never have I done that, first time. And I'm just going to take my powder brush, back with my BH Cosmetics powder, and just go over that a little bit more. So this gives me a really soft finish, really like that. I'm going in now with a blush, and this is from Sheglam. This is called Smoked Rose. So this is from Shein, and I do love that. Nice and matte. Let's put a little bit of this on them cheeks. I feel like I like to put my blush on just right here instead of starting from the cheekbone. I feel like it looks much better up here. Much better. Just going up to the temple. So let's work on the lips right now. I am going to be using this lipstick from Physicians Formula. First time using this lipstick today. This is called Brazilian Nut. Very nudish, I would say. Very, very pretty. Very, very nice for this time of year. Let's just go in. It's very creamy. I like that. Do you see the shimmer on my lips? I am going to use my lip brush and blend this out. Oh my god, this lipstick tastes really sweet. It's like there is sugar in it. That's really weird. You just want to lick your lips the whole time. Just put a little bit more in. I never put a lipstick on that tasted so sweet before. Never. Never in my entire life. This lip liner is from Revolution. It's called Exempt, and we just go in to line the lips. That looks lovely. So if you're going to be picking up this lipstick from Physicians Formula Brazilian Nut, get the Exempt lip liner from Revolution. Perfect, perfect match. That is really nice, like that. So what do you guys think so far? I love this. This is very pretty. Very nice. And so we are just going to set the whole face. My favorite setting spray from It Cosmetics. Okay, my lovely peoples, here we are. Finished look of the makeup. What do you guys think? How are the eyes coming across? I'm not quite sure. I'm hoping it's looking good. And I want you to keep in mind that my right eye is a little bit puffier. It's always been like this. It's a little bit puffier than the left side. So this may look a little bit more full. But I mean, it's okay. It doesn't bother me. It's been like this for a very long time. Love the lashes. They are Chance Starlashesbyodette, my brand of lashes. Ordering details will be down below. And of course, I use this lipstick for the first time today from Physicians Formula. This is called Brazilian Nut. Very soft, very creamy on the lips, and it tastes very sweet. So your man's going to be kissing this off your lips, okay? So it's really nice. Love the packaging, really, really sweet. Okay, it's going to be down below. This is the only thing I do have from Physicians Formula. I don't think I have anything else in my collection from them. Love the lipstick. And again, if you're going to be buying this lipstick from Physicians Formula, get the lip liner from Revolution called Exempt. Perfect combination. Perfect combination. They go well together. And of course, this is the eyeshadow palette from Amazon, the Color Studio Pressed Powder. Pressed Powder Beauty Glaze palette. It's very, very nice. Inexpensive from Amazon. Love this. And I only use 3 colors from this palette. The black for some smokiness, and I use this deep matte green here for the hood of my eyes, and the shimmer for the cut crease, which is really lovely. Like that. And I'm going to be definitely using this palette again because I like this brown. There's something about this brown that's very, very attractive. These 2 colors I really like. And this is like a light mauvey color in here. Really, really pretty. This is like a terracotta color right there as well. Love that beautiful yellow. Really, really nice. And yeah, and that's it. Everything else I used on my face is going to be in the description box below, so you guys can see how I came up with this look today. Leave me your thoughts in the description box. Sound off below. I don't mind. I would love to hear from you guys. And I do hope you enjoyed this video today, as I did enjoy making this video for you guys and coming up with this look. Thank you for watching. I shall see you next time. Bye.